now?
Yeah.
Who's here? Is that your friend or someone?
Hella people, dude.
I know, but there's a girl that's like your age.
Who is it?
Or younger. I don't know. Do you think I know these people? What the hell? Go look through your window. Wait, let me see in your camera.
I don't know who.
Let me see in your camera.
I have no idea who the hell that is. I think she's one of my neighbors that I never have met, ever.
What are you doing? Oh, this is mine. I want to hold it, yeah. Oh, what the hell? You totally just took that whole thing. You're so mean.
Oreos are hella good, dude.
So are these juice things?
I was just talking about those yesterday and how good they were. With Yadi.
Really?
Yeah. Yadi was just saying that exact same thing. You know what I love?
Are you guys high?
No.
Oh my god, I wish we could get high and just come back here and just like...
We are in blue.
No. I know. We all smoked the last of my weed at the party.
Great. Good timing.
No, they had hash, and I didn't want to bring my weed because it was just a little bag of like...
Mom, look at how close I was.
I have that stuffed animal. I have the stuffed animal. You have Weenie? Oh my god, Katrina. I have both of these. I'm not even joking. Oh my god. I have this dog. And he's at my house that burned. Isn't that sad? And then Weenie. No, you don't. Don't you love how I know his name? No, seriously.
We put it like a plastic cover.
Well, yeah, because he's a Weenie Dog Beanie Baby.
Oh my god, that's such a
I'm the one who pulls down your stuffed animals and was like, oh my... No, look, this dog, I used to carry this... Is it still on? Oh. I used to carry this animal around with me when I was up until 6th grade. I was that much of a freak because I loved my wiener dog.
Oh my god.
And I used to make little costumes for him, like during Halloween. My mom made a bun for him. I'm not even joking, dude. And I hella have this dog.
I was so excited when I got that.
Exactly.
Like, you have no idea.
Who got it for you?
My mom or something.
Yeah, my mom got me this one too. That's so weird. And did you get the bigger weenie? No, I'm not even joking you. I love how you have a wiener dog and you're like...
Getting pretend wiener dogs?
No. No. Are you obsessed with dachshunds like I am?
No.
I love how you like have
I wonder where my dog is.
I love how you have...
Go get him.
Why? Because you love him?
No, because I want him.
Oh. Yeah, you would want a wiener. Weenie. Ooh, Weenie. 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 Oh.
Is it still going? Is it still going? Jenny,
I'm winning my battle.
Ew, dude.
Come here. He looks exactly like this, though. Like his eyes.
He hella does. Is it still going? Yeah.
Why do you want to lick my face? That's the one thing that my dog won't do, is lick my face. Oh, my little Charlie dog.